Welcome to the deep dive. Ever feel like you are just drowning in information these days, content just flying at you from every direction? Feels like a fire hose.
There's a really strong monetization aspect to all of this. You see, platforms like Meta, Twitter, YouTube, TikTok, they all have these robust monetization programs that pay creators for viral content. Get enough views, you get paid. And this has led to a booming industry of what you might call AI slop gurus who sell training courses. You can find courses ranging from, say, $17.99 to learn how to make viral pat videos, all the way up to maybe $379 for lessons on generating home decor inspiration images. Beyond those direct payments from platforms, affiliate marketing is also
And I understand this leads to a concept known as the liar's dividend, which feels particularly...
because, well, that keeps you watching, keeps you clicking.
Okay, so it sounds like a pretty bleak, really interesting turn. AI also holds significant potential to help us restore.
Initially labeling the source's political leaning. This encourages what's called